Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope, inshallah, wherever you are, all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه فلما تراءى الجمعان قال أصحاب موسى إنا لمدركون قال كلا إن معي ربي سيهديني. When the two hosts sighted each other, the companions of Moses said, "Indeed, we have been caught up." He said, "Certainly not. Indeed, my Lord is with me. He will guide me." The question is, what does it take to stand by the messenger of God and help him fulfill the purpose of prophecy? If the answer is wilaya, the important question is what wilaya means. The Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei explains the meaning of wilaya in the book and outline of Islamic thought in the Quran and says, the term wilaya in the Quran means unity of a group of people who have a single thought and strive for a single goal, who walk on the same path, who strive and move towards the same goal. The people of this front should be united as much as possible and separate themselves from other fronts, other poles and other parts, so as not to be destroyed, not to be digested. This is called wilaya in the glorious book of Allah, the Quran. The people of Moses, peace be upon him, are a good example of this important meaning. Moses, peace be upon him, and his followers left Egypt by night. When Pharaoh learned of this, he sent his agents throughout the land of Egypt to round up the people and raise a large army to purpose the Israelites. And at this time, the children of Israel reached the shores of the Red Sea and were unable to cross from there. Pharaoh's armed and boundless army continued to advance. At that time, they said to Moses, peace be upon him, "O Moses, the pharaohs have reached us, and we are not able to oppose and resist them. Now there is a sea in front of us and an enemy army behind us. What shall we do?" Moses, peace be upon him, was very calm and said to them, "Do not be afraid. My Lord is with me, and He will guide me to the path of salvation." At that point, a divine miracle was revealed and the sea parted. The unity of Israelites caused them to leave their homes and their land. God's help then reached them, and the enemy was defeated. Nothing happened until they were united. This meaning of wilaya works to solve the problems of our society today. The goal of real Islamic movements throughout the history was to follow the path of the mission of the divine prophets and from a monotheistic society. This great goal requires empathy, solidarity, and cohesion between all sections of society. Let's think and ponder, and let's go to the monotheism.